Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Fidelity S&P 500 index fund. First, open a Fidelity brokerage or retirement account online. This process is quick and user-friendly, typically taking less than 10 minutes. Next, fund your new account. You can easily transfer money from your bank or deposit a check directly. Ensure you have at least $0 available for your initial investment in the fund. Once your account is funded, log into your Fidelity account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top of the page. Type in Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund to locate the correct investment. You'll want to identify the fund by its ticker symbol, which is typically FXAIX. This ensures you're selecting the right fund. After finding the FXAIX fund, select the trade option. This will take you to the order entry screen. Here, you'll specify how much money you want to invest. You can enter a specific dollar amount, for example, $500. Make sure the transaction type is set to buy to add shares to your portfolio. Review your order carefully before proceeding. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the order details on the confirmation screen. Double-check the fund, the amount, and the transaction type. Once you are satisfied, confirm the trade to complete your investment in the Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund. After your order executes, you can monitor its performance and track your returns directly within your Fidelity account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.